Hello friends, and this is C. Rajiv Khatlawala, author of How to Profit from Technical Analysis. And in the morning at around 10 o'clock, I had given the analysis, the various targets, downside as well as upside targets for the Nifty, and the Nifty has in fact extended much beyond my target. On the downside, in fact, I had indicated this trend deciding level as 11,515, and as you can observe during the day, except for one particular candle at 10:30, which was again not confirmed per se because the prices did not move beyond that. The Nifty took quite a resistance at the 11,515 level, and as you can observe in these two cases also, and it gave my first target at 470, that is 11,470 at around 1 o'clock, and in the subsequent movement downwards, the second target also was achieved at around 130 or so, that is 11,435, and in fact subsequently there was a huge sell-off. Those of you who are aware of price analysis, or those of you who have attended my training sessions would know that at this juncture there was a clear indication from the indicators, that is the RSI and the MACD, that the sell-off is going to continue. So those of you who have attended my sessions would understand this easily, that this was the initial target. 11,430 was the target which I had given, second target, and the markets were still in a strong selling mode, and it is many of my participants have indicated that they could take the entire rally on the downside, that is an entire crash on the downside up till 11,270, at which point they would have exited their short positions. The last fall, of course, was they could not take, but it was quite a big downward movement on the Nifty as well as on the Bank Nifty. So let us see what has happened to the Bank Nifty chart. And in the morning, I had indicated, we were here somewhere, I had indicated the trend deciding level as 22,030. So as you can also observe, like in case of Nifty, the Bank Nifty also broke this level at around 11 o'clock, and subsequently it achieved my first target of 21,800, that is 21,800, and the second target of 21,650. But as again, like in case of Nifty, this sell-off continued, and one could have taken, based on even the indicators, one could have taken the fall up till 21,400. This last fall one could not have probably taken because one would have exited at this level. In case of Reliance also, in fact, up and down both targets were achieved. And in case of Reliance, I had suggested in the morning, just a sec, yes, so we were here somewhere, and the trend deciding level I had indicated was 2,300. At around 10 o'clock, the price broke on the upside. It broke the 2,300 on the upside, achieved the first target of 2317. The second target was not reached. Some space was still left, around 5 or 7 rupees was left, and the subsequent there was a sell-off and profit booking in Reliance. Also, one would have observed, if you have seen my earlier in the morning, if you have seen this Reliance evaluation, so you would have observed that 2,300 was a level which the stock was not breaking for a long time, and it was almost at around 2 o'clock that that level was broken decisively here, as you can observe, and immediately within a half an hour the first target was achieved. The second target fell short by I think around 10 rupees or so. So this was the movement in the Reliance as far as intraday is concerned. There's another stock which I had indicated today, a different stock from yesterday, and that was Sun Pharma. And as you will observe, I had indicated in the morning itself that the trend deciding level was 526, and at 10 o'clock we were already much below that, 522. So I had indicated the first level as 516. As you will also observe here that 516 was a good support for some time, but at around 1:30 or 1:45 p.m. This particular support was also broken along with the other stocks in the market, and thereafter it gave the second target of 508. In fact, it fell further nearer to 501. So even in case of like in case of Nifty, Bank Nifty and Reliance, even in case of Sun Pharma, the downward targets were not only reached but they were extended. So I hope this evaluation in the morning at around 10:15 a.m. Gives you a fair idea. If you have liked this sessions, if you have liked this analysis, please do share, and also please write your comments below the video so that others can also understand and know about it, and do spread the word so that other traders like you can also take advantage of these technical levels. Thank you very much for your time, and thank you very much.